keep your voice down, okay?
Jack, keep your voice down.
Would you keep your voice down?
Voice down! Quiet!
What happened at Paul and Thompson's meeting?
Would you keep your voice down?
You might want to keep your voice down. This building has 3 registered sex offenders.
Are you so insecure that you have to pull that crap?
Keep your voice down.
Just get out!
Shh! Keep your voice down. That man over there is a cop. A cop?
I'd say we have our villain buff.
Shh! You need to keep your voice down, son.
You son of a bitch.
Shh! Keep your voice down.
Hand it over.
Allison, you may need to keep your voice down because we've got a lot of customers and you may want to go wash up.
Fame.
Keep your voice down. So she's seen ghosts? I guess.
What are you doing?
Keep your voice down!
I'll tell you about it in the morning.
Kill me. God damn, for a minute there I thought this was serious.
If you could keep your voice down.
Hell no. God damn, I feel like singing, man.
Oh, you don't owe her shit!
Will you keep your voice down?
You don't owe her shit.
May I say one thing?
Speak.
Damn it, Frost! I'm talking to you!
Keep your voice down, Gitano.
How long do we have to stay here?
As long as it takes. Keep your voice down. It's a hospital.
You won't let me leave this room. You won't let me...
Keep your voice down.
Why? You think your father can hear me? He's 300 miles away!